What is up, Bitcoiners in the land of YouTube? I almost have my voice back after a bout with food poisoning. If you ever get food poisoning, guzzle some raw honey. I looked on the internet, guzzled some raw honey. In about 2 minutes, I was totally cured, with the exception of my voice isn't back yet from throwing up. So here it is, back in action. Bitcoin must hold this line at around 41,000. I said my next video would be about the next halving cycle out here, but I'm going to shelf that for now until I get my voice back. I just want to make this quick update. Vertical blue line here is the January 28th monthly futures expiration date of Bitcoin. This entire cycle, 12 times. There's been a closure on last Friday of the month. This is the 13th time. Out of the first 12 times, 11 times, Bitcoin proceeded to dumpy-do. One time it pumped up here. This is the one time there was a pump. This is a similar structure leading up to the one time it pumped. So that could still happen. It's going to depend on where the most pain can be put down on the futures markets. Basically manipulation by the people who sell the futures products or buy the futures products, wherever the most pain's at. So it could go sideways if there's not a lot of pain to be made. Maybe it just goes sideways. But this 41,000 mark is what to watch for. In the past, I've made videos calling Bitcoin a triple layer cake. Right up here, we got the top layer of the cake. It's kind of like a wedding cake, right? And then here's the middle layer cake here. See how that's working? Zoom out a little bit. All right, here's the bottom layer cake where we were at before this halving cycle started, below the pink line. Triple layer cake. I haven't talked about the triple layer cake for a while. It's very important for Bitcoin to hold as a triple layer, as a top layer cake. If it comes down here, if it starts closing daily candles below 41,000, 40,000 area, it's in trouble. The bulls are in trouble at that point because it's going to be hard to get back up here. It's liable to go something like this, and then maybe a peak here, and it might be playing out a cycle. I don't know. That's speculation. But right now, Bitcoin must hold the 41,000 area. I just think that's a pivotal point, however that word is pronounced. Pivotal. My voice is too tired to try to go back and edit stuff out. So looking to see if Bitcoin can hold on to its top layer cake status. One thing to watch for for sure is if there is a pump here, then watch for the dump shortly after January 28th, last Friday of the month. See how this price action worked back here. Pumped up and there's a nice dump. So watch out if it pumps up there. Watch out for the fake out and then maybe bust back down here. But I'll wrap this video up. This pink line here at 30,000 should be ultra strong support. There's tons of big players involved in this that have a big interest in not letting it go under 30,000 for long. There could be a wick, if it does dive down here, there could be a wick, right, and then pop back up. So Bitcoin's in good shape. I want to see, I call it a platypus market. I don't think it's a bear market. I want to see Bitcoin. I want to see it enter this platypus market because that's when you dollar cost average in. And I'll try to make it my next video, see if my voice gets better, right? I want to see this platypus It's not a bull market. It's not a bear market, in my opinion. I want to see the platypus so I can dollar cost average. And then here's the next halving. This green vertical line's the next halving, and see I haven't erased the next cycle. See how that's working. Next cycle should go boom. So that's why I want the platypus to happen. Watch the 40,000, 41,000 area. Watch it very close. Watch out for the pump and then a massive dump. Watch out for it pumping up to 44, 45,000. And if that happens, watch out for January 28th after that date for the dumpage. Whether it dumps and pumps at that point or not, who knows? It's speculation, right? But if you see it pumping up to January 28th, watch out for the immediate correction down, whether it comes back up after that or if it goes down to 30 or whatever. But just Google 28th of January. Google Bitcoin futures monthly expirations. Google it. Check it out. That's in my opinion, that's still what's happening. Is the most pain that can be caused on those futures markets. People are coming over here to the Bitcoin spot market, and they're manipulating this price, whether it's down or up. Right? And the last 12 times, 11 times, it's been down. So just keep that in mind. Although the one time it went up, just to wrap this video up, the one time it went up, let's reset this chart. The one time it did go up to that date was after a massive crash where tons of people lost money. Boom! Right? And then here it is. The green line I have circled, the green pump I have circled here. That's it. It followed this 2 months of this. Right? So now go over here. Huge crash. Tons of people lost tons of money. Boom! And now here, see, 2 months. 2 months of this. See that? And it's right back down on the 41,000 line, just the way this one was back here. On the 30,000 line, it's almost identical structure. It's so similar. So I've been talking for about a month now or more. This could be setting up for the second green line. Pump up to the expiration date. It could be. If that happens, watch out for the dump. Said that a couple times. I'm going to get out of here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.